In today's video, I am going to teach you how to easily unlink Faceit account from Steam. Before we start, it's important to know why this can be tricky. Faceit permanently binds your Steam game ID to the very first Faceit account it was registered with. That policy helps protect competitive integrity and prevent duplicate or smurf accounts, which means you generally won't find a standard unlink option in your settings for game registrations. So what can you do? Your primary route is to contact Faceit support and request that your Steam ID be separated from the account. Head to the Faceit support site and open the request form. Choose the category that best matches account or connection issues. Then clearly explain what you need. You are asking for your Steam ID to be detached from a specific Faceit account. To make your case easy to review, include your Faceit profile link and your Steam ID, and briefly describe why you need the change. Keep it concise, factual, and polite. If you have relevant screenshots, for example, showing the current binding, attach them. Submit the ticket and keep an eye on your inbox for a reply. Response times vary, and they may ask for verification to confirm ownership. Be aware that this is an exception process and not guaranteed. Decisions are made case by case under Faceit's policies. Here is also a limited, non-game option you can check yourself. Log into your Faceit account, go to Account Settings and open the Integrations tab. Look for Steam if you see a turn off or unlink button there. Click it and confirm. This can disconnect things like social or presence features tied to Steam. However, and this is key, it usually does not remove the actual game registration. Even after using that option, your game ID may remain bound to the account for titles like CS2. And competitive access will stay linked as before. If you don't see an unlink option in integrations at all, that's normal for most users. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.